Welcome to Tampa Bay. If you're looking for some of the world's best beaches and nicest nature preserves, this is the right place. Sometimes you'll see a manatee or two. We also have luxury hotels, as long as some of the best seafood. You want amazing street art? Go to St. Pete.
You love free things?
I love free things.
We love free things. Hopefully you do too. Most people do. If you want to enjoy free concerts, free museums, free food festivals, art galleries, and events, where do we go?
Curtis Hickson Park.
You can even take the free beach taxi to one of any amazing restaurants in the area. Krabby Bill's Spinner's Rooftop Restaurant that literally spins 360 degrees while you're eating.
Shainer's Land and Sea Market, the best spot for locals where they go to get the freshest, cheapest seafood. The Don Cesar, one of Tampa St. Pete's finest hotels, 5-star. If you're not staying at the hotel, but you still want to get the amenities, walk in through the side or the front door, act like you belong, and you'll be fine. You can walk out to the pool, use the hot tub, get some drinks, but if you walk off from the beach, they'll ask you to leave. Tampa's known for Clearwater Beach, but if you want to go where more locals go and less tourists, try St. Pete, Treasure Island, or Paso Girl Way with clear water and more solitude. I was gonna go to my car to get my bathing suit. The water feels so good, I'm going in now. And this is Tampa Bay. Hope to see you soon.